Hey, so today we're just going to go through a tool called Pwndrop that I've started to use. It's a really cool tool if it's for hosting payloads or if you're doing pen testing, just some way to upload your file to be able to download it on the client or the remote host. If you've seen in my past tutorials, I normally use temporary hosting sites, but I've noticed more and more that formatting, they won't accept certain file formats, and when you do upload them, something definitely changes because the recent ones for Netcat, when I was downloading them, they just didn't work anymore. So I've just moved towards Spawn Drop on my Linux box. So the GitHub is here. It's the same guy who did Evil Jinx. If you ever played with that, it's the two-factor token phishing site, well, tool. It's a really cool tool. If you've not checked that out, definitely check that out. So I've already installed it from mine, following these instructions. Again, all on is GitHub. So on mine, status. So mine's running already, as you can see, and it's here. This is what you get if you set it up from the start. You pick a username and password, and then log on. It'll be /Pwndrop for whatever DNS entry or IP of your box that you're using. So just to show you an example of some of the cool things you can do. So I'm just going to chuck one of my scripts on there. So now if I downloaded that, it would be the script, and that might be okay, but if you wanted to go on the radar or just show how poor auditing logs are or how you can get around there, or if you're doing any, lightweight phishing, this is a really cool tool for that. So if you come in here, you can actually, this is just a blank document, set up a trick. So there's a redirect. So if we just come in here and just create our own, you can create whatever you want. So let's just go shared docs, important document, copy that. We know it's a PowerShell, so it has to be PS1, and give it a name as well. Important doc.text. So now what we do, we go back and download it again. You see that it's got a new name, but it's a PS1. Yet the link, if you saw, is for the docs, so the redirect's happening. And you can also use this for PowerShell as well. So if I just did a simple PowerShell invoke expression, new object net.web client download string. Boom, there you go. It runs PS, and despite it being the document, it redirects, and your event log as well. If you're auditing PowerShell, will run that, and then anything therefore after. So whatever this first line of PS banner is, which will be this, the audit logs will show. So it's a really cool tool. Like I said, it's on GitHub. Try it out. Super useful tool. Cool.